Hey girl, grab your iced coffee, your iced tea, and all your favorite Shein goodies, because we need to talk. Like, this is one of those girl talk FaceTime type convos where you're painting your nails, scrolling through your FYP, and the drama is just nonstop. Allegedly, the internet is having a huge debate about Chrisean and Jaidyn Alexis, and girl, people have opinions. Let's break it all down, respectfully, but honestly, because this situation says a lot about social media, motherhood, and what people choose to glorify. So first, let's just be real. Nobody likes comparing women, right? But when it comes to Chrisean and Jaidyn Alexis, the contrast is loud. Allegedly, Chrisean has been getting called out lately by multiple blogs and fans online for how she's been handling her baby. People are concerned that her child's milestones need to be evaluated because something just seems off, and that sweet little baby deserves more structure and guidance. The thing that has the internet really side-eyeing is that instead of focusing on the baby, it looks like Chrisean is focused on going live, making headlines, and staying in drama. Fans and even family members have tried to speak up, but it's like no one wants to really address what's going on. And honestly, that's sad because motherhood is hard, and every parent needs a support system. People are hoping Blueface will step in to make sure the baby gets the attention and care he needs. Meanwhile, when you look at Jaidyn Alexis, the energy is completely different. She's giving healed era, she's giving soft life mom energy. She's turning lemons into lemonade, building her own brand, her own bag, and her own lane. Unlike Chrisean, she's not relying on Blueface to stay relevant. She's proving she can be successful on her own. Fans keep pointing out how she genuinely loves her kids and prioritizes their safety and well-being above everything else. A lot of internet bloggers are saying Jaidyn represents growth. She's taken her L's publicly and bounced back stronger, wiser, and focused. She's keeping her kids away from drama and teaching everyone a subtle lesson about balancing motherhood with independence. That's the big difference fans notice. One mom is building her own empire, the other is still tied to clout. Social media plays a huge role in shaping this narrative. Chrisean posts constantly, but her baby's milestones seem lost in the content. Jaidyn posts selective, intentional content that's safe for her kids, shows love, and promotes positivity. Allegedly, fans notice the difference in maturity and parenting style, and honestly, it's a lesson in social media and motherhood combined. Emotional health is also key here. Some fans say Chrisean's behavior might be influenced by stress, past trauma, or lack of support. That doesn't excuse any shortcomings, but it does show why some people online are saying she needs help before the baby's development is impacted. On the flip side, Jaidyn is using her platform to empower herself and other moms, turning negative attention into a positive story about resilience and growth. And finally, girl, the biggest takeaway is this. The internet may love drama, but people are rooting for stability and growth, especially for kids. Blueface should step up where needed, Chrisean should focus on getting the right support, and Jaidyn should keep doing her thing, building her empire, protecting her kids, and showing the world how motherhood and success can coexist. And girl, another thing people are noticing is the way fans react differently to both women. Chrisean gets a lot of clout from drama, but it's mostly temporary hype. Jaidyn, on the other hand, is earning long-term respect. People genuinely admire how she balances her kids, her business, and her social media. Presence without turning everything into chaos. That's why so many blogs and fan pages keep highlighting her as a mom goals example. Allegedly, even Blueface seems to respect Jaidyn more these days because she's handling her business and motherhood like a pro. She's not just Blueface's baby mama. She's creating her own lane, and the internet sees that. Fans are saying that her kids are thriving because she's consistent, responsible, and putting their well-being first. That's something we can all take notes on honestly. Another point that keeps coming up online is the role of accountability. People are saying Chrisean might not realize how much her actions affect her child. Social media fame is tempting, but when a baby is involved, the spotlight can be tricky. Allegedly, some fans are hoping that she'll take a step back, get support, and really focus on parenting because love alone isn't always enough. It's about creating a safe, nurturing environment for the little one. Finally, girl, the biggest T for me, it's about growth versus hype. Jaidyn is proof that you can turn public drama into personal growth and still shine online. Chrisean has the potential to do the same, but she needs to prioritize her child's future first. And honestly, this is why people love gossip responsibly. It's not just about tea, It's about calling attention to the things that matter, like love, growth, and protecting your family. Girl, before we wrap up this tea session, I just want to remind you all to take care of yourself too. While we're spilling all this celebrity drama, don't forget to treat yourself. Grab your favorite Shein goodies, pamper yourself, and don't forget to check out my beauty line. It's all about making you feel confident, glam, and unapologetically you. Stay glowing, babes. All right, besties, that's the tea for today, but let's take a little moment to focus on ourselves. Life can be messy, but your glow up shouldn't be. Shop my beauty collection and pamper yourself while watching the world unfold. Remember, you're building your own lane just like Jaidyn. Stay confident, stay classy, and keep shining. Okay, girl, that's all the gossip for now, but don't forget, self-love is the ultimate flex. Treat yourself to some nails, a little glam, or a cute face mask from my beauty collection. You don't need anyone else's validation to be amazing. Keep glowing. And remember, you are your own vibe. Before we log off, quick reminder, babes. Take care of your glow. Life is full of drama, but your beauty routine shouldn't be. Check out my beauty line for everything you need to feel confident and fierce. Stay positive, stay fabulous, and remember, you're building your own story every day. All right, babes, that's a wrap on today's tea session. But let's end on a positive note. No matter what's going on around you, remember to prioritize your happiness and self-care. Shop my beauty collection, pamper yourself, and keep showing up as the best version of you. You got this, queen.